His excellent word. What more can He say than to you He hath said, who unto the Savior for refuge have fled? In every condition, in sickness, in health, in poverty's vale, or abounding in wealth, at home or abroad, on the land or the sea, as thy days may demand, so thy succor shall be. Fear not, I am with thee. Oh, be not dismayed, for I am thy God, and will still give thee aid. I'll strengthen thee, help thee, and cause thee to stand, upheld by my righteous, omnipotent hand. The soul that on Jesus hath leaned for repose, I will not, I cannot desert to his foes. That soul